Hello everyone and welcome to a slice of my life. You guys so chunky.
You gotta warn me, man. Hi everybody, welcome to a slice of his life, and we were having slices of pizza.
This is the posse today. We got Amanda and we got Mel. She's shy, so and we got a new friend Ting Ting. So today's anyhow try is this fried chili padi from Thailand, and this apparently is like really popular now. Emma is the one that told me about it. She said, hey, look at this Instagram account, it's called Itsy Bitsy Spicy. So shout out to you guys for importing this. And this is also known as, I think it's known as Lord Spicy. So it's got like ingredients like cumin, Sichuan peppercorn, and it doesn't come in a small bottle like this. I tried it already, but my friends have not, and I decided to kind of do this, and I'll try to get their opinions on it. See if this is as hype. Like you'll see pictures of people posting these on Instagram of like sprinkling this on like rice or like pasta. And I'm talking about plain rice, or like just mixing it with instant noodles, pizza. So like Chunky's looking at it very intently. Like, yeah, let's try it out.
This less like spicy for me. More Sichuan chili.
Gotta put like the chili with the rest of the chili. Powdered form and like in a whole.
But this tastes so different from this though.
That's where you marry the tastes.
Too spicy for
That's not spicy.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it like sour?
Sweet, salty, Thai kind of like aftertaste. Yeah. It's good though.
You okay now? Your face getting red.
I took the piece with a lot of like chili seeds, so
Oh,
it's
okay.
like very spicy. And when after I bite, then like suddenly the spice like hits. But after a while, it's okay. Yeah. So it's quite nice.
Really?
Yeah.
You think okay?
I think I was lucky enough not to take any with the seeds.
You want to try some with the seeds in it? Come on, try the seeds.
Should I try it with our pizza?
Oh, yeah.
We should have. Yeah, we should have tried it with the pizza.
You think it would help add more flavor to the pizza? It's truffle though, truffle
Maybe
pizza.
it might clash, but that's like the interesting part in it.
Okay, so would you eat this like a snack?
As a snack,
Like imagine
No.
this is potato chips, right?
no, I would eat this as like to accompany something like fried rice. You do go on fried rice, or something to complement your mee rebus. You know, like soupy things. Like if you wanna like warm the taste with like that highness, or it could just like blend in very well with like tom yum, green curry things, and you will be just at home. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Would you eat it as a snack?
I think maybe if I'm craving for something spicy, then like, you know, maybe you're in the office right, and maybe in the after lunch, so you want to eat something spicy, then I'll like munch on it. But if not, I think it's good to go with like, you know, those dry noodles, then you throw it in, and like, because it tastes like tacos.
Would you all eat it as a snack?
I will put it in a snack platter. Yeah, like chili plus like peanuts, chips.
I see. I have to say thanks to everyone. Thank you everyone. Thank you. I had quite a lot of it, I have to be honest. I ate it like a snack because I kept seeing people posting Insta stories of themselves eating it like a snack. I think that it goes quite well with food as like a seasoning thing. Like if you put like chili flakes or the equivalent of like adding pepper. So I think this is okay because personally I quite like the Sichuan peppercorn taste. My spice tolerance isn't very high. I can't handle too spicy things. I think this is still okay, even if it's a chili seed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for sticking all the way throughout and sharing this slice of my life. And I hope that you enjoy the content. If you like it, then I hope that you consider subscribing. And if you do, please press the bell so you'll be notified of any new uploads that I put out. Thanks for enjoying this slice of my life with me. I'll catch all of you in the next one. And until then, everyone, Gaga Boost. Now that we're done with dinner, we are just chilling out here at Choice Cuts. It is a J Dilla night, but I made people start trying to solve a puzzle. Check it out. I feel like That's really epic though. Josh is trying to solve it with his iPad because we don't have enough coins.